I'm Mama Myra, and how about you? What's your name?
My name is Cassie.
Kidding me. Sige na. My name is
Kayla Cassie.
Kyla.
Kayla and the
And
Cassie.
you are here on our channel, This Teaching Mama. So, mabuti ta karon, Kyla. What are we going to do in this video? So, magana. Come on. We have a package. And what are we going to do with this?
Open.
We will open the package, which we ordered from Shopee. You know what's inside?
Yeah.
Lemon.
Letters.
Letters. These are, sige, ito sa abrihan.
Hi, Mimi.
So, mo ni siya ang sulod sa among package. There is a magnetic whiteboard. Dala siya. So, only one piece. So, naa siya marker and an eraser. So, when you write there, you can erase using this one.
Yeah, can I wait?
Oh, you can try. You can try writing your name. You still know how to write your name? Wala na ito. And then, siya appeal na stickers to label each compartment sa movable alphabets and movable letters. So, this one,
I tried it.
that's your...
So, can I
So, it
erase it?
says here sa...
Can I erase it?
Oo. So, 208 pieces foam alphabet ABC magnetic letters with the board and storage box. It says here na naa siya'y 52 uppercase letters. So, apin na siya'y uppercase
And lower.
and then lowercase. So, it includes 156 lowercase letters and then 52 uppercase letters and then ang mga vowels niya kay naka-color red. Kita natin. So, mga A, E, I, O, U, mga vowels color red and then ang consonants are color blue. And then there are also punctuation marks na ay question mark. So when you're asking a question, you use a question mark. When you're shouting or exclamation point of na ay
A question to them.
unsa man imong question.
My question will be my own number. I want to draw here.
Unsa man imong question ako? What do you want, Tito? Ask.
I need to use this inside there.
Yeah, how will we use this? We can use this by learning how to read,
Question.
learning how to spell. Sige daw, let's use this to write your name. I na po, I.
I'm good at I.
And then a dot. Wow, uy. Oh, what's sunod? What's next? L and then A. How will you say your name?
Michaela.
Kani, sunod daw. Kani, this one.
Last.
That one. Isa mo na siya.
Matt.
You choose the beginning there.
Matt.
How about this one?
Here. Pat.
Kana, unsa mo na siya.
Cat.
Sunod, rat. Rat. Yeah, very good. Oh, you read that. Oh, what's the beginning letter? Fat. Oh, pili ka diri. You choose among here. And then, what's the next letter? Fat. Oh, ano sa'yo sunod na letra? Fat. Fat. Ano siya man ang at? And then, what's the last letter?
Fat.
Oh, you read now.
Fat.
Ano? Fat.
Fat.
Ikaw daw.
Fat.
Next. This one.
Let's come to Halloween, Mama.
Sunod na letra. What's the next letter? Mat. Ano sa man? Is it a or t? Huh? Are you sure? Is it nt or mat? You choose here. Diri ka magpili.
Hey!
Go ahead. And then you read now the word.
Mat.
Can you read all the words starting from here?
Rat. Bat. Bat. Mat.
Yay! Good job! I give you a high five. And then what's the middle sound?
That's it,
everyone.
Thanks for
Watching.
watching. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, now you read the word.